Hello artists, Mrs. Castle here, and let's talk about what to do if you end up with too much paint on your jelly plate. Use my green again, and this is the wrong way to do it. Do not put that much paint on your jelly plate. This amount is way too much on its own, plus all of that other. You barely have to squeeze the bottles. And if they're getting low, let me know. If the paint is hard to get out, let me know and I will get you some new. So now I'm gonna roll this out. And it's really easy for my brayer to just slide across and see these little ridges. That is a sign that there's too much paint on there, because and I know I can see when I pick it up, I can see my fingers through, but I can't see them. They're really blurry underneath there, so that's definitely too much paint. So what do? I'm gonna clean off my brayer, and then I'm gonna roll across my jelly plate and pick up some of that extra paint and roll it on the clean off paper, and probably about where it should be. Yeah, that's about where it should be. So then I can go and print. Gotta be careful because my paper slipped, because there may still be a little bit too much paint on there. So your paper should not slide around. I'm gonna make sure and if you've got a pattern or something under there, that's gonna mess it up. Yeah, I still had a little too much paint because I can see I've got a lot of extra. And I could even print again with that little amount. And this could be something that you could use later on, because we do combine different techniques as we go along. So this could be used later, combined with another technique to make something that's really cool. So I still had too much paint on there because it didn't all come off on the paper the first time. So that's how you get rid of too much paint. If there's too much paint, clean off your brayer, roll it again on the jelly plate, clean it off on your clean off paper, and maybe 2 or 3 times, and then put your paper on to print. So that's how you fix that if you realize it a little bit too late. All right. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.